Hi friends, study of blood is known as hematology. Study of blood is hematology. Study of liver is hepatology. Hepatology is study of liver. Study of fungi is mycology. Mycology is study of fungi. Study of algae is known as phycology. Study of algae is known as phycology. Study of virus is known as virology. Study of kidney is known as nephrology. Nephrology is study of kidney. Next is study of cancer is known as oncology. Study of cancers is known as oncology. Study of universe is known as cosmology. Cosmology is study of universe. Study of fruits is known as pomology. Pomology is study of fruits. Study of birds is ornithology. Ornithology is study of birds. Study of bones is osteology. Osteology is study of bones. Study of egg is oology. Oology is study of egg. Study of dream is oneirology. Oneirology means study of dreams. If someone studying on dreams, that is oneirology. Oneirology. Next is coming. Study of hair is trichology. Study of hair is trichology. Study of eyes is ophthalmology. Ophthalmology is study of eyes. Study of soil is pedology. Study of soil is pedology. Study of languages is philology. Study of languages is known as philology. Study of brain is known as encephalology. Study of brain is encephalology. Study of nails is cosmetology. Study of nails is known as cosmetology. Study of air is aerology. Study of air is aerology. Study of earth is geology. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.